Hello from Gonzaga. As we navigate these unprecedented times, my colleagues and I are excited to share with you what makes Gonzaga distinctive, community-oriented, and a great value for your students. We're also here to answer your questions and assist you. Please use the high school counselor webpage that you see on your screen in order to find good information that's tailored toward you. Gonzaga is a private liberal arts Catholic university in the Jesuit tradition. We have great strengths academically and a strong support network of resources for our students. GU is a top 20% nationally ranked university located just across the Spokane River from downtown Spokane. Our proximity is great for internships, jobs, social outings, and more. GU is a medium-sized school offering over 75 different majors and programs in 5 colleges. With an average class size of 22 and a student to faculty ratio of 11:1, students get to know their faculty. Now I would like to hand it off to my colleague Claire, who will talk about Gonzaga's application process and updates.
Hi there, I'm Claire Silva, Associate Director of Admission. First-year students use the Common Application or the Act 6 Scholarship Application. Gonzaga will be test optional for students applying for 2021. We encourage students with at or below a 3.2 GPA to have an admission interview. We accept Running Start and College in the High School credits, as well as AP, IB, and Cambridge credits by exam. Both our nursing and engineering programs remain direct entry. We offer a COVID-19 admission FAQ webpage that addresses questions that may be relevant to students applying at this time. And now I'll introduce you to my colleague, Nate Manager, who's going to discuss financial aid and scholarships.
We strive to work with students and families to make Gonzaga affordable through scholarships, strategic initiatives, and financial aid. Last year, 99% of our students received scholarships and/or grants that are guaranteed for all 4 years to help them afford this education. I want to highlight some of them that may be especially important to your students, such as the Gonzaga Leaders Scholarship, the Martin Native American Scholarship, and the Act 6 Leaders Scholarship, a full tuition, full needs scholarship. In addition to applying for scholarships, we encourage all students to file the FAFSA or the WASFA for additional funding. Many students who receive free or reduced lunch are eligible for federal Pell Grants, and at Gonzaga, those students who are eligible for Pell Grants, we promise to cover tuition with scholarships and grants only, no loans. Students can receive loans, though, or work study and other scholarships to help cover other costs, such as housing, meals, books, living expenses, etc. Thanks so much. I look forward to working with all of you, but my colleague Yesenia will share some of our support and resources for Gonzaga students.
With a 94% retention rate and 94% success rate, we strive to provide student support and resources so students are able to find success and thrive during their time at GU and beyond. Our Unity Multicultural Education Center, also known as UMEC, and the Lincoln LGBTQ+ Resource Center have 2 pillars, education and celebration. They are here to ensure that all students feel welcomed and supported on our campus, whoever they are and however they identify as. We offer our pre-orientation programs for first-generation students and students of color, as well as a first-year peer mentoring program that continues to their academic year. Their first-year experience program and transfer veteran and returning adult services support our students in their transition to college life. The Center for Student Academic Success assists students by providing everything from general academic advising, providing accommodations to students with learning differences, and assisting students in developing learning strategies. As we all embark in this historic year, we look forward to working with you and your students. We encourage students to utilize our many virtual options, including virtual tours, info sessions, meetings, student panels, and more. Thank you all so much for all the work that you do. Please contact the counselor of your school if you have any questions or would like to schedule a presentation or individual meeting. Visit gonzaga.edu/mycounselor to find your counselor. Thanks and go Zags!